Native language gone wrong.
Bare sådan...
Nej, det skal I ikke være bange for. Det gør han ikke. Han viser den bare.
Okay. Han er en blotter. Hej! Hej, skat! Hej! Hej! Ja! Goddag, skat! Hvordan går det med dig ellers? Hej, skat. Ja, vis mig den. Vis mig din dealer, Charles. Kom så med den. Kom så, John Dillermand. Så sæt mig nu. Så kører den bare. Æder mange mere. John Dillermand. Don Dillermand.
Er du top eller bund?
Kraftet med lige hvad jeg mig til at være. Så skal vi lige... Nå. Jeg var stadigvæk på Dillermand-snakken. Jeg var ikke lige klar på den der. Jeg er ovenpå nu. I'm so sorry that people don't understand what just happened. That's fucking funny. I'll explain it later. I like to call this man like Gunslinger. I like to call him Dick Slinger. So we're talking about like, you know, dicks in Danish, like wiener basically. And then in the middle of me saying things like wiener and stuff, Aqua said, "Are you top or bottom right now?" And I said, "I'm whatever this man wants me to be." And Aqua was like, "No, I mean, are you at the top or the bottom of the map?" I was like, oh, that's what you meant. I was like, I just thought you were curious if I was a top or a bottom. I was like, okay, I guess we're having this conversation now.